All right, bet. So if I go to let's go so if I go here, if I go here, should be stream. Hello, hello, my stream. Hello, 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 hello. All right, cool, bet. All right. So from now on, I want to start live streaming. Where my mic at? I want to start live streaming my trades so I can actually learn.
Mm-hmm.
So this is gonna be my first I'm gonna I'm gonna look at it, make some reads off of this. Oh, this is a 15-minute mark. I didn't even know that. All right, so 4 hour mark is going down. It's still going down. What is this? This morning, crazy down in this past. It's fucking 6 p.m. block, bro. There's no support line for real. Let's go to 1 hour and see. Alright, so realistically, I don't think it should drop further than I stopped here before. This is some I mean, it stopped here. It looks like it usually stops here. So realistically, I think it's gonna go about right down here before it starts to go back up fully, like a complete turnaround. So I'm gonna put that brick right here. Put that baby like right down. Alright. And I gotta start writing my rules down too. I bought a whiteboard for this, yo. I ain't playing no games. Oh,
Period.
after this week scarred me, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I done lost like 4 accounts this week, bro. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. Okay. So, what you trading right now? Share your screen. Let me see. Alright, so alright, trading rules. My number one rule is going to be um 250 lowest loss a day. My second rule is gonna be should I do 3 trades max a day? I kinda like 4 for myself, low key. Kinda like 4.
It depends on how the day's going.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. That's true. That's true. I'm gonna say 3 now. I'm gonna say 3. 3, 3, max, 4, if 2 out of 3. Wait, that's cool. I like that. Next. We're gonna go ahead and say, oh, no Sunday trading. I'm banning myself from Sunday trading. No,
Why?
I lost $2,000 combined on Sundays. No Sunday trading. And then Thursday trading as well, I also lost $2,000. So one Thursday night trade, Thursday night. Oh, I'm so mad, bro. Making shit bullshit. All right, my goal is to take 3 trades in the next hour. Let me see what you
Okay,
do.
but
Let me see what you take. Let me see what you take. Let me just make sure my shit right too. Um, all right, cool. Might as well work in. Say that. All right. What you took, the sell or you took a buy?
mhm.
Oh, you're a brave motherfucker, aren't you?
Their shit not about to hit.
Mm, Contracts, 10 contracts. That's a high take profit though. That's a high ass take profit. A lot of money you're asking for.
Gotta take risks, you feel me?
100%, I don't doubt that. Oh my gosh, thank God I'm employed now until I can. Bro, thank God I'm employed. Imagine day trading was my fucking day job, bro. Oh my goodness.
Wait, where you work at?
I work at a country club now.
Oh, period.
Word. Quoted daily loss limit. Activation fee 94 for a lucid daily? What's the difference between these? Hold on. Yo, how much accounts I got closed now? I got like 6 accounts closed already, bro. That shit is so ass. What's up, Giuliani be in here? See, can she want to join?
Man was watching this shit. Anxious.
Shit, you to them. Wait. How are you making money? That means. Hey, when the hell did you? What point you at? What point is that? 12, 29, 122? How are you making money?
What do you mean?
Wait, am I fraud? Did you sell or buy? You bought.
Bye.
How the hell is this shit fraud? How the hell is it at 29.94? This shit still up. Nah, that's my shit delayed. Yo, take that money out right now, you heard? My shit is delayed, I'm telling you right now. Take that money.
What?
I think your shit is delayed. Take that money while you got it, you heard?
Mind you, this is
Unless I'm
paper trading.
tweaking. MNQ1.
I don't even give a fuck.
But you gotta treat it like it's real, bro. So you don't waste money like me. Who the hell called my phone? Oh.
This AI can forecast U.S. stock prices to the penny. This is where it says NVIDIA stock will close tomorrow.
I have a 3-step formula that I backtested thousands of times, and every single month that I tested it, it was profitable in the long term. No indicators, no patterns, just pure price action, baby.
That really is the fun part of this whole technique. I have more pleasure just beating the brush than anybody in the country.
And by the end of this video, you too will know the strategy and will be able to take calculated trades just like this one and make insane amounts of money. To jump right into it, the first step involves market structure. Now, this is arguably one of the most important steps, because if you even just slightly this part up, it will ruin the whole strategy.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
One of the very first things you learn as a trader is uptrends and downtrends. It's almost like the sippy cup of trading. A chart that makes higher highs and higher lows is an uptrend. A chart that makes lower lows and lower highs is a downtrend. Simple enough. Everybody knows this. Now, you may be thinking, why are you even going over this? I already know all this. Well,
You okay, Mom?
if I told you, you're probably doing all of this completely wrong. Let me explain. So going back to our example, the chart does this, making higher highs and higher lows. And as we already stated, it's an uptrend, okay? But then something interesting happened. The chart starts heading downwards, which in this process, price makes this low and breaks right through it. And this exact point is where I see the majority of traders make the mistake. Since price broke this low, a lot of traders think we are now in a reversal and price is in a downtrend. So in return, they start looking for short trades because they now think price is going to head lower. But what if I told you this chart is actually still fundamentally bullish? You see, sure, price made this low, but this low is actually not a low at all, or at least a valid one. Why? Because price never broke the valid low, which is right here. I want to make this very clear. In order for a low to be validated, it needs to break the previous high. If you do not understand this part of the strategy,
Yeah. Hello?
You talking to me?
No, I'm just chilling.
Huh?
Wash your hair.
Oh.
Duh, get my hair done.
What if I just said you wasn't ugly, boy? What time?
I don't know. What time does the hair store open?
Nine 30. I'm gonna go get my permit. Then after I'm gonna go to the salon, and then yeah, there's nothing else I got done. Mm-hmm. I don't know if I don't even care about going to the mall. I just need to get some cute outfits. I'm anywhere, like I'll go to Plato's just to get some Under Armour stuff. I just want like some Under Armour sweater or something. Or pants. That's about it. Yeah, Dolly. I'm sick of that card. Hey, Laj.
There you go.
It was working. What the fuck it works? My mom is just a fucking mess all over again.
My teeth feel so fucking weird. Like,
Ew.
mm.
Does it feel numb?
Mm-mm.
Oh.
Yeah, I have to take a shower. I'm just like, can I really get them?
I don't know. I think the doses are just the same. I don't know why you can't see yourself with this.
I'm thinking, like, is it worth it?
I don't think your tooth are. I think your top mouth is just too front. Whether it's not, your teeth on the top are just little, but your teeth are not crooked.
Move on. Look, this shit going into this one. Can get up in there.
You need to put your mouth in.
Yo,
How are your friend that game?
what you talking about? Hmm? Share a crib. What?
My God, I thought I was cool again, bro.
Ah,
Hmm.
I wish I had Netflix on my phone.
Why don't you turn on your TV?
I don't think it's there on my TV.
You're just addicted to that phone. I hate that for you.
You went there by yourself.
Go in here, but that's it.
You're so fucking rude. But you're the one that always be on your fucking phone.
Shit.
Talk about the car, bro.
What you about to cry for, nigga? You lost your girl?
No, I'm gonna call you right back. Hold on.
Bye, darling.
Strategy will not work.
You are done.
So say if price does break this high, we now know this is a valid low. Okay, good. So now price is in an uptrend, which means we should only look for bullish trades. The only time we should start looking for short trades is if price breaks this low. It can do anything right here. It can go up, down, sideways, literally anything. As long as it doesn't break this low, we are in an uptrend. Now say if instead of doing this, price did end up breaking upwards. Since price did break a previous high, our new low will be transferred from this point to this one. So that's the first step, identifying if we're in an uptrend or a downtrend.
So what's next?
So that would be step 2 in the formula. Step 2 is identify.
Alright, while I'm waiting for my condition, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and do what Kailani's doing.
Well, watching videos.
Hell yeah. I realize I'm asking that shit and I'm not.
Find demand in the markets. Demand zones take place in uptrends, supply zones take place in downtrends. A good style of thinking is you want to buy from demand zones and sell from supply zones. Here, if we look closely, the market is going up. Since we saw a large push from the beginning of this move, it simply shows us that a lot of people wanted to buy from this point onward. So we can assume if price comes back down to this area, traders will have the same style of thinking and want to buy in the same area again.
With the American Express Platinum Card, you can unlock experiences like no other. Find out your welcome offer and kickstart your next unforgettable adventure.
In this video, I want to show you how to
A
correctly
supply
draw
zone
your
is the
support
exact
and
opposite.
resistance
Since we saw a
levels
large
so
downward
that your
move from this
chances
point
do not
on,
look like
it shows us
this.
that a lot of people want to sell at this area. So if price ever retests this zone, we can assume price will again move downwards from this point. This supply and demand theory is the core of our strategy, but we still have one more step in our 3-step formula.
Or Kailani. Wait, what the fuck? I can't hear you. What's feedback? Wait, talk again?
Yeah.
Oh. I was gonna say, I'm a deafen, so I can't hear you. Just text me if you need nothing. I'm gonna watch this video and take some notes real quick, alright?
No, you're good. I'm doing the same.
Alright, bet. Well, we're about to hit that though. Is this our first trade of the day, chat? Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it. Well, what are the chances it goes below that, bro? I don't think it will. If it hits that line and starts to show rejection, we're taking this. And we're gonna take it. But is it gonna be a flip though? Are we gonna wait for the flip or are we just taking a little take? Is it gonna flip here? I mean, it could. It should, honestly. But then again, is it gonna reach like down here on some bullshit? Hmm. Alright, I think I'm gonna take this though. Yeah, I'm gonna take this. Oh, this is my trade. So the reason I'm taking this, right? Boom. One. Are we dead ass serious, bro? Alright, yeah. So the reason I'm taking this trade, one, right? No, let me not look at this chart. This is a previous low point right here, right? And it hit there. When is this? August. Oh, Monday. 4. It hit this line, right? Then it dropped. But this is a bigger drop. But then again, yeah, I'm just taking it, bro, because this part it hit here before. It's a good little resistance line. Resistance line, yeah. So I'm gonna take that. But that's my only confluence, bro. I don't even know nothing else for, it's been going on this crazy downtrend, but I feel like it's gonna cut off right here. If it doesn't completely flip, I think it's gonna get a big spike, at least. Maybe to this middle of this fair value gap right here. But that's just hopes and prayers, because obviously, a nigga losing funded accounts and shit happens. What we gonna see, bro? I hope it flips, and it's also showing some weakness on these wicks now too, which gives me a little more confidence. I looked at these two. These wicks are getting shorter, and then it's growing. So I think this is gonna be like a U-shaped type of thing, right? So, yeah, that's what I think. But we're gonna go back to this YouTube video. We're gonna take some damn notes because obviously I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. So, I'm probably gonna look back. This shit gonna be fucking. And it's not even going up crazy though. And my fear is that it doesn't. Oh no, it's showing some good signs. All right, we're gonna leave it. I think that's a good spot to put it at. You may be right here, just where this wick was at. But other than that, it should be good. Watch the video, take notes. Good luck, gang.
Ooh, what the hell is even that? The support and resistance or key levels are one of the most important things that you must master when trading. But 99% of traders are still getting it wrong. Why is it so important? Because if you can find key levels correctly, it can give you a high win rate trade opportunity. Look at this example right here. There is a resistance level right here because price went up to this level and then reversed downwards. So the next time when price hits this level again, there is a very high chance that it's going to reverse downwards again, so you could have entered right here. A very common mistake that traders make is that they draw too many lines on their chart just like this. What the hell are you doing, bro? Stop doing this. How can you trade with like 10,000 lines on your chart? This just makes you more confused, while the whole point of drawing key levels is so that it makes it easier for us to analyze, make it less confused. The reason why a lot of you are still making stupid mistakes like this is because you do not follow the secret rules of support and resistance. The first rule is multiple rejections. You can see in this example, price went down to this level 3 times before reversing back up, showing us multiple rejections. So we can draw a support level right here. Next, every time price went up to this level, it always rejects this level and reverses. So we can draw another resistance level right here. Now you might be wondering, what if the charts looks like this when there is no multiple rejections yet? Glad you asked. Which brings us to the next rule. Price needs to move away from the swing low or swing high. In this example, you can see that price has not formed multiple rejections yet. but you can see that it has formed a swing high and move away from it. And when it just move away and reverse and head back down, it doesn't just move a tiny bit, it moves significantly. So what you can do is that you can draw a resistance level right here. Here's another example. You can see that price has been going down, it has just been a downtrend, and then it went back down to this area right here, and then reverse and shoot back up significantly. So what you can do in this case is that you can draw a and formed multiple rejections yet, but you can see that it has formed a swing high and move away from it. And when it just moved in multiple rejections yet, glad you asked. Which brings us to the next rule. Price needs to move away from the swing low or swing high. In this example, you can see that price has not formed multiple rejections yet, but you can see that it has formed a swing high and move away from it. And when it just move away and reverse and head back down, it doesn't just move a tiny bit, it moves
I got a trade in, guys. Hold on, let's check this out. It's still ranging. This might be the flip then. Okay, bro, I say that and then it does some shit like that, bro. I lied. This might be it. Alright, cool. Let's leave that. But I can make good trades, paper trading, right? And I'm gonna make what 500 right here. Like, I don't understand you. I don't understand you, bro. I don't. Paper trading, I make 10 bands, no losses. Real money coming in, it's like shit I want to make. It's cool. I think I just had a bad week. I'm about to get my 2 lucid accounts and be live. Yeah, we not losing those accounts. Sticking to our rules. Oh, what do we think? Alright, so my thing is now, right? I wanna put this here. Put this actually like 24. Alright, we're gonna put a break even. No. At least it went up. No. Now, is it gonna drop back down on some gay shit? Probably, because I made the trade, you feel me? It's like, you see, like when Jalen Hamilton makes a trade, it's like, yeah, we're dropping game. We're dropping all the way. We don't care what he think, we're dropping. Was it smart for me to leave it at that line though? Since it keeps resisting there. So look, that's my one trade for the 1 hour. That's one trade, right? Do we see the issue now, guys? Look at this, look at this, look at this. What is this? What is this? Where we at? Order history. Why is it not showing me my shit? Where's order summary? Why is Lisa calling me? So what? I probably made like 25 because it went below, right? Bro, it's not even gonna hit this. It's not gonna go there, bro, and I knew that. But my thing is, do I risk a higher number? Just because if it fucking plummets and it's like it's cold, bro. I hate this shit, bro. I think my DMD, I don't know, I'm about to talk to him now again. So I get this shit straight. And look, it's gonna go back up as I knew it did, bro. I don't even want to take another trade. It's a timing thing too. My thing is, do I take less contracts so I can take a bigger loss? Because even before, my losses used to be way bigger, but after I lost that 1K, I just started losing shit. Hold on, let me go take my notes.
Significantly. So what you can do is that you can draw a resistance level right here. And when it but you can see that it has formed a swing high and move away from it. And when it just move away and reverse and head back down, it doesn't just move a tiny bit, it moves significantly. So what you can do is that you can draw a resistance level right here. Here's another example. You can see that price has been going down, it has just been a downtrend, and then it went back down to this area right here, and then reverse and shoot back up significantly. So what you can do in this case is that you can draw a support level at this swing low. The next rule is that a level can be both support and resistance. Support can become resistance and resistance can become support. You can draw like a support level right here because price reversed 3 times at this area, and whenever price come back down to this area, it always shoot back up. So there's a very strong support level right here. And look at what price did when price break through this support level. It came back up to retest this support level, and now your support level is acting as your resistance level. You can see right now price is unable to break past this resistance level, which used to be the support level. Next, the levels must be near the current price. When you are marking a key level, you don't want to be marking one that is way too far away from where price currently is right now, like these 2 levels right here. These 2 levels, they are irrelevant. There is no point in drawing them because we only want to draw the levels that matters right now.
Look,
Because
the thing is,
remember,
right, about my timing, I do need to work on my timing, and that's what I'm talking about, bro. And I knew it was gonna go up, gang. What I put my point at? Right here, right? I'm gonna draw that line right there. I'm gonna draw that line right there, bro. Cause like bro, this shit is so ass. This shit is so ass. Look, bro, watch it go right back up there, bro. Watch it test there, bro. That's 500 right
too
there.
many lines will look too confusing for us. So in this case, what I will do is that I will just draw a support level right here. You can see whenever price comes back down here, it always reverse and hit back up. And then I will also draw another resistance level right here. So these 2 key levels are the only key levels that matter. Now that you have understood these 4 secret rules, let's apply whatever you just learned to the charts. So in this example, I can draw a resistance level right here because whenever price comes back up here, it always reverses resistance levels. How do you actually trade them? Glad you ask. So in there, it always. So the first thing you want to look out for at this key level is to see what price is doing. Is price gonna break past this level, or is it gonna reverse and head back down at this resistance level? So in this case, price actually gave us a evening star candlestick pattern, which is basically a reversal pattern that tell us that there is a lot of sellers in the market.
I have to learn the candlesticks too. I gotta have something like printed out. The candlesticks, bro.
Okay, right now is no longer an uptrend and price is going to reverse and go back down. And by the way,
Alright, let me make my second condition, bro, since this shit on a bullshit and shit. Even if I could close right here, they 400 day, bro. Alright, what's my next condition, bro? I mean, this is gonna be my next condition. I think I'm gonna go bullish, bro. And I think it's gonna go back up. I think this is the flip. Where is this? I think this is gonna be this flip. So, the resistance here, like I thought it would. Like I thought it would, but you know, resisted there. No, this is supported. Supported. Now look. She's all supported. But it's still going up, still going up. If it beats, if it passes that fair value gap, I'm willing to, but I don't even want to take long-term stuff, bro, because realistic, I don't even know what to look at here. Okay, if it drops back into this or this fair value gap and it denies it, then I'll go ahead and take the buy. Yeah, I'll go ahead and take that buy, bro. Hold on, man. Just gonna spike up. Huh?
There are literally like hundreds of reversal candlesticks.
If it goes to this one, okay. Showing that. But my thing is the timing, right? I gotta learn my timing, bro. Timing really be messing me up. It's not even the trade itself. Like, I know it'll go up. I know when it's gonna go up. Okay, not when, but I know where it's gonna go up. I just don't know when. That'd be my main issue. And look, I'm buying this. What I say? If it rejects here, and I said a dead middle too. So look, I'm gonna put this right up. No, I'm gonna put it right up here, right above this one. And look, I missed it. It's about to go up without me. Should I have waited? I think I should have waited on that. The thing is, sometimes I'd be scared for it to leave me, bro. Yeah, it's gonna go back down into that fear about, oh, buddy. Oh, pictures not right here. Bro, I'd be scared for it to leave me, bro. That's my fear, bro. And I'd be trying to hop in it quick and then it fakes me out on some shit. Look, it went back down this thing. There's no way. It broke through. GG's. Alright, lost this trade. What am I, like 0 for 2? I mean, I'll positive the first one, but that shit was pretty much a loss, bro. Like 0 for 2 right here. Oh my god. And it's gonna bounce out that one, isn't it? It's gonna bounce out of that one, aren't you? You're gonna bounce out of that one, aren't you? You fucking bitch. Oh my god, I gotta learn the confirmations. I need confirmations. I need confirmations. I need confirmations. I need confirmations. I don't even think like the strategy is hard for me. I think it's just the confirmations. Trading confirmations or confluences too.
For the first couple years of my trading, I was making the same mistake that destroys most traders' accounts. I would see price approaching my level, I would immediately jump in. It didn't even matter if I had an idea of what the market even wanted to do. I was so focused on not missing the move that I kept taking trades based off of incomplete information. And it cost me around 40 to 50 grand when I first started trading. Then I learned something that changed everything for me. One simple rule that transformed my win rate and finally made me consistently profitable. I never enter the market until I see how the market actually represents itself. Now what I think that it's going to be. This isn't just about waiting for structure. This is a shift from trying to predict the future to observing what's actually happening. And once you understand this difference, your trading will never be the same. So in this video, I'm breaking down what I wait for before every single trade that I take and why this observer approach is a part of your edge and how you can start implementing this immediately. So let me give an example of what I think many of you are going through, and you can tell me if I'm right or wrong, and I'll give you a couple examples. So number one, right? We first start what we're looking for to take a trade. What I'm looking for to take a trade is sell side liquidity swept, and I want to target the opposing liquidity pool. So in this example, right, I can see, okay, the market's most likely going to go take sell side. At this point, I'm like, ooh, a long might be coming in here, right? There's possibly a reason we're going to go take buy side afterward, right? There's maybe a bigger time frame for value gap right below us. Now, the problem that happens is this. Low gets taken, market comes back up and you're like, oh my gosh, I'm ready to take a long. You enter your position, you put your stop at the low, and then the market does this. Stops you out. And you're like, oh, it wasn't ready yet. All right, I got stopped out. And then the market maybe does something like this. Oh, we're finally back up. Oh my gosh, I'm going to take a long. Put your stop in play, and then maybe the market does something like this. Then what happens is the market does this and then ends up going. How do we read this? First of all, you might be sitting here being like, damn, he called me out. And that's the whole point, is to show you like, I used to do the exact same thing, and I'm gonna tell you how you can get around this. This is a main problem of a couple things. Number one, the mindset in which we're in. Our mindset is I'm expecting the market to bounce and I'm afraid to miss out and get a bad fill. So I'm just going to enter the position without actually the confirmation. And if you are looking for the confirmation or think that there is confirmation, you're actually too zoomed in and you're not reacting to what the specific model is. So what I mean by this is pay attention when I say this. This that we're looking at currently right now is a market maker model, right? We have sell side of the curve and we have buy side of the curve. Now, in relationship to this model, meaning these highs as the draw on liquidity, I need to see a market structure shift or a break of structure or a change in the state of delivery, right? All the same thing to validate that we are going through those highs. So let's look through these first couple examples here. People are going to be zoomed in here and they're going to say, oh, the low got taken. Oh, here's my change in the state of delivery. I'm going to take a long. Now, could this end up playing out? Sure, maybe, but it's not in relationship to this model. What is it in relationship to? Let me explain this. The market will do this. We will generate liquidity to then go lower, to then manipulate manipulate lower, then break structure, then go take whatever that buy side is, right? So if we are having a break of structure, the break of structure needs to be in correlation to whatever the highs is in which we're generating. If there's buy side liquidity up here, this change in the state is not the one that validates it. This change in the state validates price to go to this buy side. This buy side, when displaced through, becomes the bigger time frame change to validate the bigger time frame draw. So what happens here? Your big liquidity up here, this change in the state is not the one that is. We are having a break of structure. The break of structure needs to be in correlation to whatever the highs is in which we're generating. If there's buy side liquidity up here, this change in the state is not the one that validates it. This change in the state validates price to go to this buy side. This buy side, when displaced through, becomes the bigger time frame change to validate.
Alright, I'm going by the end of the live stream, bro. I'm gonna take my last trade of the day. We're gonna make my last condition. And get some bullshit like that, right? I still think this is going up, bro. I think it's making that flip. How do I know it's gonna make that flip? I don't fucking know. But we're gonna take a fucking guess here. We're gonna take a guess because I'm a real ass nigga like that. Ah. Oh my goodness. And look, I would have thought that it was gonna keep going up right here, right? Hell no. What is a confirmation that, hey, I'm going up, bro? Like, I don't get it. I need to learn confirmations. The need for learn confirmation then. Alright, so if anything, I'm gonna end this today, y'all. Two trades is it for me, bro. This shit is bullshitting. I fucking hate the market. I lost 2 accounts today. When I get my pair, we're gonna buy 2 Lucids and we're gonna tee up. We're actually gonna follow my rules, and I should do way better on these upcoming weeks. Feel me? Got a job, so money not gonna be an issue. But yeah, feel me? I love y'all, man. We out there. Love, love, love.